Hey guys, so today I'm addressing the question of how do you get the most out of your skin tightening soap? How do you make sure that your skin tightening soap is working well for you? Why do some people see better results when using skin tightening soaps compared to others? And there are a few things here and there you can do to make sure you're getting the most out of your soaps. Because if you think about it, soap is just something you apply on the body and you just wash it off with water. Unlike creams get to sit on your body from morning to evening, maybe when you're going to do your second shower, or basically creams stay in your body for a long period of time as compared to soap. So the best way, number one, to make sure your soaps work well, whether you're using Kojic soap, glutathione soap, the black soap, or any particular skin tightening soap you're using, is to make sure you let your soap sit in your skin for at least 3 minutes, depending on your tolerance level, because some people have a very sensitive skin, so they're not able to tolerate the what do you call it, they're able to tolerate the soap for a long time. But if you can at least wait for like 3 minutes, I would say don't exceed 5 minutes unless you want your skin to look red and to have a rash, because some skin tightening soaps like the black soaps, they tend to be very strong. The sun soap is more on the mild side, if I would say, but there's some soaps which I know for sure I have used that are very strong, that after a while you start feeling a tingling effect, which then leads to this your skin becoming red, having rashes. So don't exceed 5 minutes, but at least give the soap time to work for at least 3 minutes. Secondly, you want to make sure your shower is switched off. When you are lathering the soap over your body, when you are washing yourself, put off the shower, because if you are putting on the soap and at the same time the water is removing it, then you're not doing anything. So make sure you put off the shower and massage the soap into your body, or if you're scrubbing with that loofah for scrubbing, at least make sure you have a good time to do that, for the soap to for the active ingredients in the soap to fully penetrate your body. So make sure you give yourself 3 minutes. In that 3 minutes, put off the water and lather yourself and smother yourself over with the soap from head to toe. Then, only then, after like 3 minutes, step in the shower and wash it off. That's the best way of getting the most out of your skin tightening soap. And then again, with most of these skin tightening soaps, they have a peeling effect. They'll make your skin to peel. So you want to make sure you're very well moisturized after using your soap. Whether that means you're going to use your skin tightening cream, or you're going to use some oil on top. If you have very oily skin, very dry skin, put some oil on top, because if you have dry skin, you're basically like reversing the whole essence of having glowing skin. So make sure you stay well moisturized, and also drink a lot of water as well. So that's all I have to tell you guys. So that's the best way to make sure you're getting the most out of your skin tightening soaps. That's all I have for you guys, and until next time, see ya.